Hi everybody, my name is Diana Miller and I am the blogger and designer over at The Girl Creative. I am so excited to be doing this unboxing video of the October mystery box with you from Expressions Vinyl. This box is very special to me because I had the opportunity to curate everything that's in it. That means I picked out all of the colors and I designed all of the pattern vinyls that you're going to get. And I also designed 20 SVGs that you will get with the box as well. I've been a digital designer for about 5 years now. That's just for the SVG part of it. I've been a printables designer for much longer than that, and I've been blogging at The Girl Creative since 2009. So I'm so excited to actually see my designs in print for the very first time, and I'm excited to be sharing that with you. Okay, so before we dig into the box, let me just talk a little bit about how I decided on the colors and the patterns and the designs that are in the box. There's no real theme per se when it comes to the SVGs you're going to get, but there'll be a mixture of a little bit of everything. Stuff for everyday use at home, stuff for some holidays and special events, things like that. When I was designing the patterns, I wanted to make sure that I picked some neutral colors. I love the farmhouse style. I'm kind of leaning a little bit towards modern farmhouse these days. I love anything boho, eclectic. So I really want to create patterns that are versatile and can pretty much go with any kind of style. So I researched trending patterns for this year. I researched some trending colors for this year. So that was how I kind of went about picking my my solids, designing my patterns, and making everything kind of go together. So now that you know what went through this brain of mine, let's see what's inside. So the box looks like this. You'll get a box, a skinny box that's about 12 by 12, well, 13 by 13 or so. It'll say the date on the outside, and it'll give you a little sneak peek of what is inside. And inside the box, you will get two packages. You'll get a package of vinyl with a cheat sheet that explains all the vinyl settings. It explains the names of each design, each color that's in the box with the name of each design, each pattern. You'll also get 2 pieces of transfer tape, which you will definitely need when you're doing vinyl projects. And then the second package is all of your heat transfer vinyl, which again will have a cheat sheet of a list of all the names of all the colors that are used and the names of the patterns. So let's start with the vinyl. So this is what it looks like. Here's your cheat sheet. And I love it that they took one of the patterns and they used it for the background right here. Like I said, they give you a breakdown of the colors, the patterns, the cut settings, which is so helpful. If you're a Silhouette or a Cricut user, especially if you're a new user, sometimes you struggle with figuring out the proper settings, and sometimes the presets in the machine and in the software don't always quite work out. So these are just some good tools to have with you. Okay, so the first one is Kaleidoscope, which I think is just so cool. Kind of unique and a little busy, but I think this will be great even if you just want to cut out some shapes. Not necessarily text or words, but shapes would be great for this. Next one is Navajo. Kind of has that herringbone kind of feel to it. I really love this pattern. And you'll see it in one of my projects in a later video. Then we also have Vintage Prism, which also is so cool. When I designed this one, I was kind of thinking, oh, this would look so cute in like a little girl's bedroom or a little baby girl nursery, just something on the wall or whatever. I just really, really like that. Okay, so next we have Glitter Champagne, which I think this is probably my favorite solid in the whole box. And it will go really nice with, as you can see, it'll go really nice with this gem one. We have, this is just called Middle Gray, which is always great to have some of your neutral colors. When I shop for vinyl, I always tend to go with some of like the basic colors. I never have enough grays, blacks, whites, things like that. So we have that. Then we have, this is just beige. Again, it'll go great with all of the patterned vinyls that you see. All these colors will coordinate and go great. This one is called dark gray. Kind of has a little bit of a, it's got a matte finish, and this is Oracal 631, which means that this is a temporary vinyl. So you could put it on things and you could take it off. So that's great also. Another one is a brushed gold, which I don't know if you could see it, but this is also nice. I really like this one. Then we have papaya is the last one, which it kind of looks like it's a little in the pink family, a little beige. I think this can go with a lot of different things. So we have papaya as the last one. And lastly, in the vinyl package, we have 2 sheets of transfer tape. These are awesome for all of your vinyl crafts. You will need these for sure when you're doing vinyl projects. The grid comes in nice and handy because it helps you to keep things straight and keep things aligned. Okay, so now let's look at the heat transfer vinyl. Again, it has the cheat sheet with all of your cut settings on it. It has a list of all the names of the solid and glitter vinyl, as well as the names of the pattern vinyl. So let's open this up. Okay, so we have, first up is Glitter HTV in Dark Walnut. Whoops, got 2 together by mistake. Okay, so this is Dark Walnut and Glitter HTV. The glitter is a little bit on the thick side, which I really, really like. It's nice and sturdy, and I just can't wait to craft with this color because I think it's going to look so cool. Okay, next is Twinkle HTV in copper, also by Caesar. Looks a little, I don't know if you can see that it's copper in this lighting, but this is awesome too. Then one of my favorite patterns is called Amber Waves. I just love this so much. I want to make all the things with this one. Next one up is called Starry Night. And I have such a cute project using this HTV that I can't wait to show you in a later video. This is kind of like a sage green, and I love like the confetti looking irregular shaped dots. This is so super cute. Next is Easy Weed in charcoal. You can never have enough of your dark neutrals colors. This is perfect. Then we have, I'm using my cheat sheet. Sorry, everybody. Then we have Rose Gold, which I love Rose Gold. That's one of my favorite shades. Like I was mentioning the champagne one in the vinyl, kind of in the same family, but this is just heat transfer vinyl, and I just love this one so much. And then the last one is Easy Weed Electric in Olive. So this is like a hunter army kind of green, which is awesome. So that's what you get in the mystery box as far as vinyls and heat transfer vinyl go. I'm going to add a little snippet of a couple of the SVG designs so you can kind of see what's in there too if you haven't already gotten your box and if you haven't already gotten your access to the downloads. Now that you've seen everything that's in the October mystery box, are you just as excited as I am to get crafting? I can't wait to see what you've made. Please tag me at The Girl Creative on Instagram so I can see all of your awesome crafts. Happy crafting, everybody!